Hi folks, I'm here on Dee's rental property. She's going to tell you something here about February, March. What happened?
February. And they said that my birds were here in February. My birds weren't here in February. They didn't get here until March.
So paperwork is again wrong.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very common on what's going on. They just go into everybody's yard. Oh, now you want to be friends again, huh? The horse is back on my shoulders here. So, are you okay with them taking your chickens?
No.
No? It's wrong, isn't it?
My chickens, they're healthy, and they never did anything. They want to live.
I'm sorry. So if we can all help Dee today, come out here at 3 o'clock and give her some support, it would be great. Now, have you rescued these horses and chickens or what?
The chickens are mine.
The chickens?
I had their mommies and daddies, and then they have these a long time ago. And he's a rescue. And a long time ago, she is doing better. She's real old, like she's 33 years old.
Oh, wow. And she was a rescue too?
Yeah, we used to ride her all the time, but now we just, her muscles in her back are broke down. That's why she's way back, and
yeah.
She'll get ready.
That's sad. All right, folks, so 3 o'clock today on Marlette Street. The CDFA, USDA is supposed to come here and kill the chickens. Do you think your chickens are sick?
No, they're very healthy. I give them a vaccination once a month so they don't get sick.
So you do vaccinate your chickens?
Once a month.
Once a month, we're on a regular basis. Have they tested your chickens?
No.
They haven't?
No. They were here one day, and I guess they talked to Lori, and they left a note on the gate. And Lori told me about it, so I came here right away. And then I tried to put in a petition, and they said that I was too late because my son was at work, and I have bleeding behind my eyes, retina.
Right.
And so I can't read real good. I can't see it. And so they said my son was too late to put in the petition, so we put in a first one, and they denied it. And then we called back, my son did, and he talked to some lady, Sabrina or something, I don't remember her name. And
Sabrina Cervantes?
I think so.
No, probably not. She's one of our representative here in the state of California.
Okay, well, something else.
Somebody named Sabrina.
Yeah,
the reason why I say Sabrina Cervantes is she needs to jump into this and get involved because, you know, a lot of her people, and I say her people, her Hispanic people, are being illegally, no due process, even though we're in a sanctuary state. So we just learned that if you don't have a Social Security number, you still can get paid. They call it a third-party payee. So if somebody else has a Social Security number can get paid for those chickens, and then you can get reimbursed that way.
I heard that a lot of people aren't getting paid.
No, if you got a Social Security number, you're getting paid. Yeah.
I have one, but I rather don't have the money. I'd rather have my chickens.
I heard that. Did you guys hear that? Dee says she'd rather have her chickens than $200. So it's truly sad, folks.
My chickens don't have a price. I wouldn't sell them. I love them.
Yeah, well, Dee, when you came here, you said you were going to keep your chickens in the cage, and then the next day they were running all over the yard. Remember that?
Because you get out, somebody...
Well, yeah, but this cage wasn't made right. The pigs get in it, and then...
Well, folks, I will see you guys at 3 o'clock, and you can see Dee's frustration. I'm going to get her off camera so she can compose herself. All I can tell you, folks, is this is completely wrong. The rural lifestyle is being violated. Santos says these people aren't testing the chickens, they just come and kill them. People call your congressman and tell them to stop this cruelty to our dear animals. Sabrina Cervantes, you can't stop this. Exactly. Sabrina Cervantes is too busy supporting the Democratic Party and endorsing people that don't even know what a Mexican person looks like. Well, that's on the political scene. I'll talk to you guys later.